Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is something we use when we're driving. It has 3 colors. And number 2 is a country in Asia. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The traffic light is red. The traffic light is red. Traffic light. The traffic light is red. It is not green. Now we can make a flashcard for traffic light. The colors: green equals go, red, yeah, and yellow is the other one. Some people say amber also, but usually we say yellow. Please make a card like this. Write traffic light, 2 words, up here in the top left corner. TRAFFIC LIGHT. Down here in this corner, CTY1. This means city, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 49 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Traffic light. Traffic light. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Korea is a country in Asia. Korea is a country in Asia. Korea. Korea is in between Japan and China. Now we can make a flashcard for Korea. Korea is the name of a country, so we always use capital K. The language is Korean with a capital K. The adjective is Korean, also with capital K. Please make a card like this. Write Korea up here in the top left corner, Korea. Down here in the bottom left corner, country 1. And over here, the number 13 out of 26. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Korea. Game over. You did very well today. We learned traffic light and Korea. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, Y, grocery store. Number 2, can you say it? Should. Yes, 2 very important meanings. And to run across something means to find, to see, to notice something. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.